Hi, I'm Hunter Sentjens, Technical Support Director at ScreenFeed. In this video, we will talk about calendar widgets in Connect. This video covers a walkthrough of each calendar widget in Connect, including unique attributes and their use cases, then finishing up with next steps. To get started with calendars, you'll need to log in to Connect. Navigate to screenfeed.com in a web browser, click the Login button in the top right corner, sign in with your username and password if prompted, then click on the Connect button in your account dashboard. In order to take a look at each calendar widget, we will create an app from scratch for a blank canvas where we can showcase each widget. Now that we have created an app, click the Widgets option in the left menu. The submenu that appears is organized into categories of data widgets. You will see the available calendar widgets in the Calendar Widgets section. Click on the Event widget to add it to the canvas. As we walk through the calendar widgets, I will give a description of each widget along with unique attributes. Know that attributes like font, type, size, and background color can be adjusted from the right-hand panel on each respective widget. Event shows the details of a single event. This event will be, by default, whatever is currently happening or the next upcoming event on your calendar. Click on the Title section on the right-hand Properties panel. Here you can make changes to the title of the event. Notice that since calendar widgets have multiple text elements, they have the option to sync fonts and colors across all of the text elements. These can be toggled on and off by clicking on the corresponding buttons. Click on Divider Line. Here you can see there is an option for hiding or showing the divider line element altogether. Click on the eye to hide the divider line. Some elements can be hidden like this. Others, like text elements, if you prefer not to show that item, can be set to 0% opacity. Click the Delete button to remove the widget from the canvas. Let's add the Day widget from the left menu. Day shows a list of events over a given period of time for one day in a horizontal format. Click on Day in the right-hand Properties panel to offset the day. Here we can choose yesterday or up to 3 days in advance. Under Hour, you can set the range of hours that you want to show inside the widget. A time marker denotes the current time of day. If you choose to offset the day, the time marker will not appear. To change the color of the time marker, click on the time marker label in the Widget Properties menu on the right. Click on the corresponding color swatch to bring up the color picker. Then pick your color from the swatch library provided or enter in hex values at the bottom of the color picker. Alternatively, selecting the lightning bolt icon next to the color swatch can connect your text color to a data source. Learn more about using a data source to drive dynamic colors and opacities in our knowledge base. Delete the Day widget from the canvas, then click on Widgets on the left menu. Let's add the Agenda widget to the canvas next. Agenda shows a list of events over a given period of time for one day in a vertical format. You can set the Agenda widget to show either events from today or for up to 3 days in advance. Set the date format for the date that shows in the top left corner of the widget by clicking on Day Title, then the Date Format drop-down. Some text properties are capable of multiple lines of text and text alignment. In the Agenda widget, the Event Title property has the option for line height and text alignment. Enter in a value or click on the corresponding arrows for line height. This will adjust the space between your event title and the location of the event. Let's remove the Agenda widget and click in the left menu to add in the Week widget. Week shows multiple events over a week in a horizontal format. Like Day, you can set an offset to show 3 weeks in advance. Week also has the option to display multi-day events, indicated initially by a solid color background. Finally, let's remove Week and add in the Room Schedule widget from the left menu. Room Schedule is intended to display events associated with a specific location or room. It will display the next 2 upcoming events for the location in a vertical format. Calendar widgets also allow for the time of the event to appear in a 24-hour clock format. Use the 24-hour clock format by selecting Event Time from the right-hand Properties menu. Then toggle on the Use 24-hour clock button. You will see the times change to the new format in the canvas. Let's finish up with next steps. If you don't yet have a subscription to Connect, go to screenfeed.com/connect to sign up. If you want to learn more about Connect before diving in, you can find more videos and how-to documents in our knowledge base at screenfeed.com/support. If you just want to set up a call to talk about content, Connect, or infotainment, we're happy to chat. Send us an email at support@screenfeed.com or give us a call at 1-800-461-3002. Now that you have an idea of each calendar widget, click here to learn more about connecting your calendar data. Repeater widgets can also use calendar data sources. Click here to learn more about repeaters. As always, thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what apps you make.